No, right? Yeah. Look at her. That whole. She's coming. Ha ha. Do you have a problem? No. But wait. What? Your booty stink boy. Your booty stink boy. Ha ha. Booty stink boy. Ha ha ha. I have a butt problem. Don't bully people. That's really mean. We'll bully you. Yeah, boy. Bullying is bad. So please don't do it. And when you see somebody getting bullied, please stop it. Thank you. And bye.